Hello and welcome. Let us see a quick way to make fried chicken. Marinate the chicken pieces in a mixture of buttermilk, hot sauce and spices for at least 2 hours or about overnight. Now mix together flour, cornstarch, chili powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper in a separate large bowl. Now dredge the marinated chicken pieces into the flour mixture, shaking off the excess flour from the pieces. Dip the floored chicken pieces in beaten eggs, making sure they are very well coated. Spread the chicken pieces in the flour mixture again, pressing the coating onto the chicken to adhere. Now the chicken pieces breaded with the flour mixture are ready. Heat some oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the chicken pieces in batches until golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken pieces with the help of a slotted spoon and place them carefully on a paper towel to drain off any excess oil. The fried chicken pieces are ready to be served and enjoyed with fries, ketchup or coleslaw. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want more.